Hello everyone, welcome back to Roboarmy. Earlier we had made a project on automatic cloth drying stand where we used Arduino to automatically retract and extend the drying stand whenever it rains. That video received amazing love and responses from you all. Thank you so much for that. Now many students requested us to show how to upload Arduino code using a mobile phone instead of a laptop. So in this video we will not only show how to make this project but also how to upload its code using your Android phone through the ArduinoDroid application. So let's begin. Here what you will need for this project: to an Arduino Uno to control the sensor and servo, one servo motor to move the drying stand, one rain sensor module to detect rainfall, one Android mobile phone to upload code using the ArduinoDroid app, one USB cable to connect Arduino with the phone, a 9-volt battery with DC jack connector for powering the project, some jumper wires for making all the connections. Once you have everything ready, let's start with the connections. Step 1. Connecting the raindrop sensor. The raindrop sensor detects the rain by measuring moisture on its surface. It has 4 pins: VCC, GND, T0 and A0. Let's connect it to Arduino. Take your Arduino Uno board, insert male to female jumper wires into the sensor module. Connect the VCC pin of the sensor to the 5-volt pin on Arduino. Connect the GND pin of the sensor to the GND on Arduino. Finally, connect the A0 pin from the sensor to the A0 analog input pin on Arduino. This pin will read the sensor's analog values to detect rain intensity. Step 2. Connecting the servo motor. Now the servo motor has 3 wires: brown for GND, red for VCC, orange for signal. Use male-to-male jumper wires for the servo connections. Connect the red VCC wire to the 5-volt pin on Arduino. Connect the brown GND wire to the GND pin on Arduino. Connect the orange signal wire to digital pin 8 on Arduino. This pin will send signal to rotate the servo motor when rain is detected. That's it. Our connections are complete. Now verify them once according to the circuit diagram on the screen. Now it's time to upload the code to our Arduino board, but this time using a mobile phone. First, download the code file using the link given in the description below. You can directly click the link to download the .ino file. If you have not installed ArduinoDroid application, first download it. You can also watch our detailed video on program Arduino from your Android phone using ArduinoDroid. Link is in the description below, or tap the I button above. Open the ArduinoDroid app. Tap the 3 dots menu in the top right corner. Go to the sketch, select open and from device. Browse to your download folder and select the downloaded .ino file. That's it, your code is now ready to upload. Now let's upload this code to the Arduino directly from your phone. Connect Arduino to phone. Use this USB to connect from Arduino. At this end of the cable, use a USB OTG cable. You can easily purchase this OTG cable from any online marketplace such as Amazon, Flipkart or from your local electronic shop, and connect this to your Arduino phone. When prompted, allow USB access. Select the Arduino board. Tap the 3 dots menu, go to the boards and select Arduino Uno. Compile and upload. Tap the checkmark icon to compile the code, then tap the arrow icon to upload it. After a few seconds, you will see upload complete on the screen. Perfect. Our Arduino is now programmed without using a laptop. Now let's install our circuit on a small cardboard house structure. Paste the raindrop sensor on the roof of the house. Attach the servo motor on the side and fix it with the drying stand mechanism. Adjust the servo angle so the stand moves smoothly. To power the jacket, plug the DC jack of the 9-volt battery into the Arduino's parallel jack if you want it to run standalone, or you can use the USB cable if connected to your phone. Let's see in action. Right now the sensor surface is dry. The servo keeps the stand open for drying clothes. As soon as raindrop falls on sensor, it detects rain and the servo rotates to retract the drying stand and protecting the cloths. Once the rain stops, the sensor dries up, the servo moves back, extending the stand again for drying. And that's how our automatic cloth drying stand works. Smart, simple and weather aware. I hope you learned something new today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, keep innovating with Roboarmy.
Roboarmy. One-stop global community for teens in robotics and AI.